Hello my great viewers, you're welcome once again to UMass Media for another wonderful class. Today we're going to be dealing with change of subject of formula. I want you to follow me closely while I take you there. This is the problem we'll be handling for today. It says make m the subject of the relation y equals the square root of m plus k all over k into 1 minus km. Okay, let's resolve that. Now since we are having a square root here, for you to remove a square root in any mathematical equation or formula, all you need to do is to square the both sides. So squaring the both sides, I'm going to have y squared is equal to the square of m plus k all over k into 1 minus km all squared. Now by this square root will cancel this square, because square root simply means raised to power half. For instance, y raised to power half is the same thing as square root of y. This is simply the expression of this. Square root of y simply means y raised to power half. So if I do square of y raised to power half, these two cancel these two and I'm left with y. That's simply what we did here. The whole of this term raised to power 2, so the 2 that is in the raised to power half cancels the 2 that we have as square. And just as I am left with y here, so I will be left with m plus k all over k into 1 minus km in this place. So at the end of the day, I'm going to have y squared is equal to m plus k all over k into 1 minus km. Now at this point, what we are going to do is to cross multiply, because this is a fraction here, so we can cross multiply. So I have y squared, the numerator of the fraction on the left hand side of the equation, multiplying the denominator at the right hand side of the equation. So I'm going to have y squared into k times 1 minus km equal to m plus k, because 1 times m plus k still gives us m plus k. Now let's open this bracket here. First of all, I'm going to open the bracket on the inside, then I'll open the bracket on the outside. Let's begin with the bracket on the inside. So I'm going to have y squared into k times 1 gives us k, minus, because plus times minus is minus, so k times km gives us k squared m equal to m plus k, the term on the right hand side. Then let's open the second bracket, or the last bracket. That's going to give us y squared times k, which is y squared k, minus y squared times k squared m will be y squared k squared m equal to m plus k. At this point, remember we want to make m the subject of the formula, and what it simply means is to make m be the head of the equation, just like we have y as the head of this equation, meaning m is going to stand alone on one side of the equation. That's exactly what it means to make a letter the subject of the equation or subject of the formula. Now we're going to bring this term that has m and this term that has m together, and for us to do that, I'm going to move this to the right side of the equation and move k to the left side of the equation. And for us to do that, we're going to have y squared k, moving k here to the left side of the equation, the sign is going to change from positive to negative, and that's going to be minus k, equal to, I'm having m left on the right side of the equation, so I'll put it down. Then I'll move this other term to the right side of the equation. The sign is going to change from negative to positive. So I'm going to have plus y squared k squared n. Now at this point we are going to factor out n. I'm having on the left side y squared k minus k is equal to m. If I factor out m, it means that I'm going to have 1 left here because m divided m is 1 plus m divided this 10. M is going to cancel out m, and so I'll be having y squared k squared left. So with this, I can divide both sides of this equation by this term in brackets because it is the coefficient of letter n, which we are going to make the subject of the formula. So by that, I'm going to have y squared k minus k all divided by 1 plus y squared k squared equal to m into 1 plus y squared k squared all divided by 1 plus y squared k squared. With this term cancels this term. So we are left with m equals the whole of the term on the left hand side, which is y squared k minus k all over 1 plus y squared k squared. With this, you have arrived at the solution to this problem on subject of the formula. I want to appreciate my great viewers for taking our time to watch this video to the end. And in case this is your first time of visiting this channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button so that when next you post another awesome video of this kind, you are going to be notified. Just logging into your YouTube, you're going to see it in your notification. And I want you to like this video. If you have questions that you need answers to, you are free to ask at the comment section of this video. I will attend to it. Also, I want you to share this video to your friends and lovers so they can have access to the same information you have. And I will see you great in my next video. Thank you.